What up, y'all? It's been a minute since I have been up here on the tube. I've been busy. Been traveling. We did travel to Bali. I have a ton of stuff for Bali, but I didn't really record. I actually enjoyed my vacation, so I feel really bad because I did want to make a video, but oh well. I'll probably put some tips and tricks up video. I'll probably record that while I'm here. But anyways, I'm in Boston, business trip, and I wanted to show you guys the room. I'm in Kimpton Hotel, like literally just walking in the door. Kimpton Hotel 9090 on 90 Tremont Street, Boston, Massachusetts. Don't judge me if I spelled that all wrong because it's been a long day. I'm literally just getting here. But let's give you this room tour before I get it all messed up. Alrighty, guys. So I've never been to Boston, so I like low-key know nothing about it except for clam chowder, New England Patriots, and Good Lobster. So, but anyways, first off, designer eye. Gonna give y'all the tea, how I feel. Loving this barn door action that they have going on for the bathroom. As y'all can see, loving this. It's really good and keeps like not having to have the door swing, but anyways. Let's go into this bathroom first. Just super cute. Super cute. I'm loving this tile. Very neutral grays. Accents of gold. Like very New England style, but very neutral. I'm digging it. Then this carpet, loving this. Loving this desk right here as well. With this chair and this like leather looking accent. Love this light. Like this light is bomb. Y'all, this is bomb. I really like this. With the TV. Here's the bed. I'm loving this leather like detail here too on this headboard. Very luxe. Loving it. Like the light fixtures on both sides. This dual table setting. You can pull it out so you can have more working space. I actually like this like layout space right here. My view is shitty, but it looks like I can see a little bit in the background. I love, the little architectural details that you can see outside, but I don't like that I can see the roof. Like, I wish there was a way that we could fix that or something, but anyways, yeah, nice little drapery. And I'm loving this little bar. Like, this is lit, y'all. Got me some Maker's Mark, some wine, some Patron. Y'all, they want you to get it in while you're here, right? Okay? Grey Goose. Anyways, and then, what is this? Oh, like an in like one refrigerator. Got a couple snacks. Looks like you got like a nice little bit of a closet, just a little bit. This is kind of just slightly too big, so I can't open it all the way. But I probably will put a couple things in. Oh, look, then you can get an umbrella, iron, something to lay out your suitcase. I'll probably go ahead and pull that out because it just makes the trip easier. This is the view from the door. Y'all know I'm an Aggie, so Aggie pride. Anyways, like this mirror. I'm not sure what this is though. Like, I guess it's just a feature in the mirror. Because you do get a mirror over here on that. So maybe this is just like a design feature. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. And then a nice like coat hook. Smart, because if you can think about it, in Boston, most likely it's always raining, it's always cold, or not always, but it's raining or it's cold or it's nasty and you are gonna have big coats. So that's a nice little feature right there. I like that. Overall though, this hotel is dope, y'all. Like, I like the rooms, I like the decor. Downstairs they have complimentary breakfast in the morning. They also have complimentary wine tasting at like 5 something. So I'm here for business, but I'm definitely gonna partake. But all right, just giving y'all some more shots. Definitely gonna warm this room up a little bit for me. That's one nice thing about not traveling with hubby. I can be as warm as I want. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna sign out for now. I'll probably do a little get ready with me. Where have I been? Whatnot thingy. But all right, y'all. We signing out. Deuces.
Fill his father's shoes, respectively. They go to extremes of masculine and feminine, chasing dreams, but they keep on